How to add a privacy policy on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a privacy policy page and link it into your main navigation. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, choose one of the websites on the site's dashboard. Then we are going to see the dashboard. Now what we're going to do is to click on edit site on the setup page or the home page. Boom, here we have our specific, as you can see, website, and the editor is opened. Now what we're going to do is to head over the pages and menus. From the site menu, which is going to be the general site, we're going to see if we are going to have the policy, terms, and also the terms and conditions. We have them right there, as you can see them right there. And if we are going to have something change, and here we have the privacy and safety or privacy policy, you can go ahead normally and find them in all the templates on Wix templates or Wix websites that you have created. But in case you want to add your own, you can go ahead and add a menu item or a new page, just like that. And from here, you're going to have the specific page and click on create blank page. I'm going to show you here an example since we have already some pages named like that. Now we're going to add an element which is going to be a text. So we are going to add a text or a heading one like that. So we are going to name it a privacy policy like this. I'm going to make it wider. This is better. And from here, we're going to add a specific, let's say here, image. So we're not image, but a text. So here we have the text. We're going to head over paragraphs, have this paragraph added. I'm going to put it like this. We're going to head over ChatGPT. I'm going to ask him or ask it basically to create a privacy policy text for me. So we are going to wait for it. So we are going to have here the privacy policy. We're going to have the introduction. I'm going to set up here the things. So we collect and everything. So we're going to set up everything from here and there. Copy and paste all of the information that we have. Make sure that you are going to widen a little bit the text from here and there. And you can go ahead and make it a little bit, let's say, customize. I'm going to click on edit text, put it as bold, and this is better. So, and when you are going to finish, I'm going to head over here. This new page is going to be named something else, so we're going to rename it as privacy. I have already the text, so not this. Privacy policy. Boom. Click on done. We're going to have it in here. So basically I'm going to put it here. Privacy policy is going to be right there. Not here, but here. I'm not going to put it here, but the menu is a little bit longer, so we're going to try to put it at first. And I'm going to put it under here. Boom. We're going to find it normally in here. So we are going to save it. And it is going to give us the details. So basically, where's the pages? It is going to be under home. This is not going to be the same, as you can see here, menu, but you're going to add your own menu from these elements. We're going to head over menu and anchors. So this is the menu. I'm going to add it here. So we are going to get it in here. This is a glance of it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.